Today we're going to go over our new adjustable shade cell that's available for Centurion and Supreme boats. You'll get a bag, and in the bag will be the carbon fiber poles and the 3D WeatherMax fabric. The carbon fiber poles are adjustable, so they have a cam lock on them that allows them to extend. They're reinforced here in the end to help prevent any kind of warranty issues and breaking. They simply slide into our receivers here. And then on our shade cell, the tip of this that makes it adjustable is how it attaches to the boat itself. So you'll see that we have some webbing here that we'll play with in a minute, but these D-rings here go around the shade cell receiver and come around to the bottom here. And then we'll take the other side over and do the same thing. There. And then on the other end, we have just grommets. And these grommets go over our eye ends here. Same with on the other side. Then we have some webbing here with Velcro on it that we can help tension the canvas with. And then if we want to go a little bit longer, we just need to loosen these ladder locks. To our desired length and adjust the poles. And then to adjust our poles, we loosen the cam lock, extend the carbon fiber pole out. Let's say that's as far as we want to go. I guess we need to loosen this guy too. We'll extend this one out to a roughly even length. And then we can adjust the strap in our webbing here. And our strap there looks good. And then adjust this one. What we're going to do now is we're going to shorten the shade if we want to adjust it. And that's simple. All we do is we undo our cam locks here and we bring our poles into our desired length. We'll say that looks good. We'll come in here on this side, make it somewhat even, retighten the cam lock, and then we have this webbing here that we can adjust to pull the canvas tight on either side. And then we can adjust here this piece of webbing there with a little finger loop and just pulling on the webbing. And we can stow these out of the way. Just like so.